Hi, I'm Jason Garcia, and my classmate name is Kevin Stammer. We choose intonation as a topic. So today I'm going to show you guys our planner on intonation simulation class. We have topic, rising and falling intonation. We have the pre-class brief description, introduction to the role of intonation in communication, focusing on identifying the use of rising and falling. Now we have the goals, so that we'll distinguish between rising and falling. The students will practice appropriate intonation in different scenarios, and also they will recognize how intonation affects meaning and mention. We have the opening with the warm-up. Here we have the resources, video being audios, some of the links that you can actually go into the web and look for it. PowerPoint presentation. Here we have the development of the class. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 activities, and also with the resources. Continue, please. We also have a closure. As a closure, we have the reviewed key patterns on rising yes/no questions, falling for statements. Also, we have assigned homework. Record 3 sentences with varying intonation. Example: cheerful, hello, annoyed, and goodbye. We also have the resource here for that. And the post-class, what the students were supposed to get from this class about intonation, falling, and rising. Now we are going to go to a PowerPoint presentation where we are going to explain the topic. Okay, so here we have our PowerPoint presentation. Actually, it's a Canva presentation on intonation by Jason Garcia and Kay Stammer. We have learning objectives, the variation pitch in the height of the voice when speaking. It's not what we say, it's how we say it. It's not what we say, it's how we say it. And also it affects the meaning, intent, emotion, and clarity of the message. Certain and uncertain. Certain when the speaker is sure of what he or she is saying, it is called falling intonation. When uncertain, when the speaker is hesitating or suggesting or being indirect, is called rising intonation. The speakers want to sound confident and give complete information. Continue, please. Okay, we were hearing affirmations, so the tone drops at the end to show that the idea is close. So once again, I'm tired. She works in a bank. We had a great time, and they live in London. Next, please. Commands. The descending tone gives an effect on authority or seriousness. Sit down. Close the window. Please be quiet. And don't touch that. So remember, the descending tone gives an effect or authority of seriousness. Next. WH questions. Although they are questions, they end with a tone that lowers because they are not or just questions. The speaker expects information answered, not simply yes or no. Example: where are you going? What time is it? Why do you do that? Who is he? Next. Negative. Sounds confident and cutting indicates that the topic is not open for discussion No, I don't think so. Of course not. And absolutely. So this is the negative. Okay, after the explanation, I'm going to play a game with you guys in this simulation class, and we have some questions or sentences, and we have to choose if this is rising intonation or falling intonation. So the first one, what do you do? So think about it. Is it rising intonation or falling intonation? Option 2, please. It is falling intonation. Are you happy? Think about it. Rising intonation or falling? Think about it. Take a few seconds. Option rising intonation. Next one, please. You don't like chocolate. Rising or falling? Think about it. Think about it. Rising or falling? Rising intonation. Very good. I live in Kayseri. Rising or falling? Think about it. Take a few seconds. Option 2. Very good. Where do you live? Remember, this sentence has, or this question has a WH. So the correct answer is falling intonation. Very good. You are another child. Rising intonation or falling? Think about it. Take a few seconds. You got it wrong. Remember, it's rising intonation. Yes, I am. Rising intonation or falling intonation. Think about it. Take a few seconds. Remember, it's falling intonation. Okay, that was the explanation on falling intonation. But remember, intonation make your voice go up, down, become louder, or become softer. Intonation make your voice go up, go down, go or become louder, or become softer. Thank you very much, and now it's my classmate turn. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Kemi Tamara. I will continue with the presentation. Okay, let's start talking about the reasoning intonation. Its definition is the voice rises at the end of the sentence. Its intonation expresses about surprise, interest, or a question that expects a yes or not answer. When is it used? Close questions. Yes, not question, real question. Closest question. In all of this, the tone rises at the end to show that the speakers expect an affirmative or negative response. For example, are you okay? Do you like it? She is coming. Can I help you? Have you finished? Next. Okay. Real questions. And this question do not affirmative anything, they only set information that they come at the end. For example, do you finish your homework? Are you hungry? It is your phone. Do you live near Hertz? Okay. Reason for intonation. The definition is the tone reason is in the important part of the sentence and the draws rapidly. It's come when the speaker wants to show empathy, surprise, interest, or enthusiastic. Okay. Choice and listen intonation. Choice. Question which or page rests on affirmative choice and falls on the second choice. For example, all you prefer beef or chicken? Are you having salt or salad? Is John leaving on Wednesday or Friday? Do you speak German or French? Is your name Andrew or Andy? Okay. Listen intonation. Pitch rises on edge. Each of the listening concept the words last eating. The eat feel what? For example, do you like baseball, football, or tennis? He is doing Andrew, French, Spanish, and do you want ice cream, cheese, or pizza? Okay. Let's watch a recent fall intonation exercise video.
Here's a quick exercise. You ask someone for help. Could you help me? Could you help me? There are a few possible responses. Listen. What does each response express? Could you please help me? Yeah. Could you please help me? Yeah. All three times it's the same word, but the intonation communicates a different meaning, right? Yeah. This first response sounds certain. It uses falling intonation. Yeah. The second one is affirmative but with enthusiasm. It uses a rise fall. It shows stronger emotion. The person's basically saying, yeah, I'd be happy to. Yeah. That last response sounds hesitant because it uses a fall rise. The person's basically saying, yeah, but I need to know exactly what you want first. I'll probably agree. Maybe, but tell me more. Yeah. In this lesson, we'll review and practice fall rise intonation, and we'll begin to consider some differences between formal and informal intonation. Learn intonation patterns in English with Jennifer.
Okay, we can see in the video there are differences when voices. A word which depended on its intonation is classified as the choice intonation or listen intonation.